to the NoMore show.
I love doing that to her.
Hey everybody. Again.
Oh my gosh, I feel like Oprah today. This is probably going to be one of my favorites.
We are sharing not all of them, but a few of our favorite products that we love and that are clean and non-toxic and good for you, good for your family, good for the environment.
The corporations in general. So we're going to just keep doing Lindsey and Sarah's favorite things. That's what we're going to call this, and the random ones that you're going to get later in your inbox are all going to be from good companies, like b-corp companies that are conscious and doing good things, not just for our bodies and the planet, but like how they treat their employees, fair trade, how they're sourcing. So you don't have to do any of the work anymore. We've got you covered. Look out for the Sarah and Lindsey favorite things. Here comes our split 6 things. I'll let Lindsey do number 1.
Okay. So number 1, we are doing supernatural cleaning products.
Suzy's Batiz. If you guys are not following her on her Instagram, join and follow her because wow.
This product is incredible. The branding, I think the branding is
oh my gosh.
So pretty.
She's the founder of Poopery. She also founded Supernatural. We've been stalking her. We've become her little stalkers.
We love her.
We love her. She's such an inspiration in business. I'll let Lindsey now take over again about this product.
When you buy her cleaning products, this is the pretty box that you get. So first, when you open, these are the little vials that are in like fluorescent glass.
Wow.
So inside each of these are little essential oil mixes. And so each one of those is good for a different part of the house. So one is bath and tub, one is counter and granite, one is glass, one is floor. And so what you do is this box also comes with 4 glass reusable spray bottles. So here, we'll show you. So all you do, they're so cute.
I feel like I'm ready to go to a gun show.
All you do is you pour this little vial into this bottle and then you fill the rest with water. So this one is counters and granite, and then you would use that to clean. And then when you need to refill or you're out, all you do is buy little vials again.
Super eco-friendly.
Yes.
No plastic. My arch nemesis, Daniel's arch nemesis. Oh, that's cool. A little rubber so you don't break it.
Yeah, so it's glass. So it comes with this cool little rubber thing that goes on the bottom. So if you put it on the counter, it won't smash.
No more throwing these things out, you guys. There's no reason that we need to be going to the store and buying every month plastic. If you're not going to do these, just like make your own vinegar soap water spray and some essential oils. But this is an amazing company. She's an amazing company. She's fabulous to the world, fabulous to her team.
Yeah.
Someone to support.
Yes.
Lindsey won this by her.
Yes, I won 2 packs.
Yeah, 2 packs. I got the other one. And shirts and Poopery spray. This shit really works. I almost hesitated on that one. It really does. It takes the poop out. My husband was pooping last night. Yeah, the poop spray. She does Poopery. My husband was pooping out last night. I was like, yo, man, we've got it covered now, honey. Can you do something about that? And he did. So we're going to...
And by the way, Poopery is worth close to $600 million.
Whoa,
a poop spray company.
Poop spray, $600 million.
So I say that to inspire you. If Suzy Batiz can do that off of poop spray, anyone can do anything.
You can do anything.
Yes.
Which will should lead us, I'm going to make it lead us to our number 2 because now we're going to believe in ourselves, which I'm going to make Lindsey do again, is our favorite products, is our own products.
This is my personal favorite. It's our Release Coffee Scrub. And I wish you could smell it because it is like...
super yummy good. It smells like coffee.
If you love the smell, if you love coffee, you will love it. So this product is so good at removing makeup, daily impurities, dead skin cells. I use it on my armpits.
She does. She does like her selling pitch.
Exfoliate. So I'm in the shower and I use it all over my face, on my armpits. I even put it on my feet because I use my dry brush. I use it in the shower, but just to get away. Your pores are super open when you're in the shower. So you're absorbing all the nutrients and washing away the dead skin cells. So it does so much for your skin.
I don't know what to do without it because the makeup's, I mean, even if you don't wear makeup, this is a phenomenal product, and then you use your astringent afterwards, and it's like my skin survival. It feels now if I don't do this, I feel like it's the same as if I don't brush at night, like my teeth, like my skin's like, help me!
Yeah.
I love this. Sometimes when we're traveling, if something happens to it or I run out of it, I'm like a freak at a store trying to cultivate and make it back so that I don't have to go without. So that's our coffee face scrub, boasting on some of our own favorite things. Now I will take the next one. Oh my gosh, this is one of the best gifts. Sir Daniel, who is the other owner of NoMore, is the best gifter. And this one is Hairprint. Oh, wow. Is this a company to get behind? They can turn, if you got gray hair, gone, and it not using any dye. It's a patented pending formula that takes, I think it's like a bean extract, and you put it in your hair and it pulls your natural color back. So it's not going to give you a different color, and it doesn't last forever, so you keep using it whenever you need. It's no dye. It's like a bean. It's literally a bean that you stick in your hair, and your grays go away, your color comes back. But if you're not gray and that doesn't entice you, they still have the best shampoo and conditioner I've ever used in my life. I hoard this now. I'm like, ooh, is it a special day? Is it a special, should I use this now or should I use it?
Gotta use it.
This one is activated charcoal, marine. Oh, this one's marine bioactive. And I'm gonna read you a few of the ingredients. And this isn't a lie. That's their ingredients. You know what those are. There isn't, you should know what you're using. It should not be things you don't know, because guess what? What do we say all the time?
It's gonna go down your pipes.
Up to 60% of what you put on your skin.
Oh, that one.
Absorbs in your body, and yes, what you put down the sink, you drink. So you want to know the ingredients you're using. Radish root, plant sugar. I mean, Japanese blood grass, guys. This is worth the weight in gold. And your hair, let's just talk about my hair. When I get done using it, I have like this fluff mane of lion. I have, it doesn't look like my thin, wrinkly Italian confused hair that comes out. It's volume, and I don't have to shampoo for a couple days. It's great. So Hairprint, make sure you guys check them out.
And there's a lot of rave about like skincare products, but we don't talk about shampoo and conditioner as much. There's so many shampoo and conditioners that are pure junk, and you're in the hot shower, your pores are open, and you're absorbing whatever is in your shampoo and conditioner, especially conditioner, because you're leaving it on your hair for an extended period of time.
Yeah.
So there are great options out there.
Sometimes it gets in your mouth.
Yeah.
In your eyes.
Yeah.
It's definitely one to look into.
Yeah.
Next one.
Next one is another product of ours.
Whoa, we're gonna boast about our favorite things because it is us.
Our
I don't know how to do with that. This
Look
one,
how cute.
This one sells out all the time.
Yep.
People who use our Toothcream, like Kudu Soap, she's one of our really good girlfriends. And girl, if you haven't checked out Kudu Soap, their company is amazing. She's all over in all the HEBs. She raves over this. She can't get enough. Many of the people who use Toothcream are like, hey, like, how do I like score some more? Can I get like now, right now? Because mine's gone. This is the first ever refrigerator Toothcream. I'm supposed to let her talk.
Oh, we're good. Sarah says it's like a cookie in your mouth.
It's like a cookie.
It's a peppermint vanilla essential oil based coconut oil toothpaste. It's great for gently whitening your teeth
and bone building.
Tastes
so good.
Yeah, it helps prevent cavities, bad breath, and there's no fluoride in it.
No fluoride in it. Super non-toxic, helpful. Kids love it. So tasty. Your kids will eat it. Vanilla mint. Yes. It really is really good. It is the first ever refrigerator toothpaste. If you order from us, you're gonna get it in an ice pack. If it melts at all on you, you're gonna pop it in your fridge for a few seconds, stick it back on your counter.
Yep. And you can find the consistency that you like. So it is Texas, it's the heat, it's a coconut oil base, so it does melt down a little bit. If you like it like that, you can use it, or like Sarah said, pop it in your fridge and it'll harden right up.
It's like whipped cream.
Yep.
It's so good.
Next.
Okay. I we wanted to stay at low on time, but I guess we're really excited here. I can't live without this. This is my Tempurpedic pillow. It saved my neck's life. I have a lot of life-saving things in my life. And this is one. Tempurpedics can be expensive if you do the real ones. I think they're like $100. But you can get like knockoffs. And just the memory foam or Tempurpedic supporting your neck has transformed my sleep. I used to have aches and pains. Yes, diet switch. But this was a huge one. Tempurpedic makes top beds. This is huge.
Pillowcase.
Oh, and this is what stops you. It's supposed to be aging. Hinder if you use materials when you like squeeze your face at night when you're sleeping. When you use silk, it's less likely to pull on your skin. But now I found out about earthworms, so use fake silk. Okay, let's not burn up the earthworms. Fake silk for your skin.
And it's good for your hair too. So it helps you if you do have frizzy hair at all. It helps to kind of calm that down.
Mm-hmm.
So
really good for it.
And then our last product is Sara.
Mm-hmm. This is the hippiest one of them all. No joke. It is shampoo that is made from soap. If you are cheap, if you're hippie, if you're living on a budget, you're traveling around the world, you can't have your fancy smancy Hairprint stuff. This is just soap for your hair. And
Shampoo Bar.
It's called Shampoo Bar, yeah. And it really works. I use it on my hair. It's not like my Hairprint shampoo. I don't have puffy lion amazing hair the next day. But it really gets the job done. I still have nice looking hair. My hair doesn't feel weird. Super eco-friendly. Comes in paper just like this. And then that's it. There's no waste left.
No waste.
No harmful ingredients. You know what everything is in?
Awesome.
Spray you away out of this video. Supernatural powers.
We are done. But we would love to know what are some of your life-saving products.
Yeah.
Eco-friendly, healthy for your body, healthy for the planet. Let us know what your favorites are.
Yeah.
And these are all ones that we use, so we're not just blindly leading you.
No, this is definitely like the must-haves.
Yeah.
The must-haves.
Yeah. These are ones we use daily.
Mm-hmm. Go get non-toxic in your life.
Yeah. You guys have a great day.
Bye.